This one I'm super excited for. A lot of Loom videos. Videos are super helpful for tracking down support or just explaining things to one another, and they've come out with a lot of cool new features like summary AI and being able to edit your video. So it's a really powerful tool. Finally added it as a video option in the email builder. The email builder's video element now supports Loom videos, enabling users to embed those Loom videos into their email templates and campaigns. The update was made due to user feedback and the growing trend of Loom adoption, and incorporating those Loom videos allows for more dynamic content, engaging content, and increases adoption from Loom's active user base. So if you already use Loom like us, it makes it even easier for you to embed and incorporate your videos, whether they be tutorials, explanations, or promos even. You can add those right into your emails. And to use those Loom videos, you can add the video element into your email builder template, and then you would choose Loom from that drop down, paste your URL, and it will pop up in your email for your people to view and watch, and then they can either go to the Loom site itself, comment, or reply back to your email.